Okay, okay, okay.
Boss,
Thank you.
you are the boss, no?
Okay.
So we are not. See, every now and then you should ensure that you are the boss. So these are the strategies.
I should come and ask.
Okay, okay, yeah, sir. What is my result? Okay, then next one, please. Yes,
So,
Tania ma'am. Tania ma'am, you are live.
this is the
You have
screen which I got.
yeah, physical chemistry. These are your students. Click onto that.
Yes, they have
Attempt.
attempted.
Yeah, great.
They
You got the scores as well.
yes, yes,
Okay,
sir.
great. That's great. That's great. This is it. So now here onwards, what we want to see is you implementing this in your institution. Tanya ma'am, you hope you will give
Yes,
me the
sir.
word that you will be implementing this in
Yes,
your
sure.
college. Yeah, that's great.
Yes, sure. We'll
Okay then.
try.
Sibichan sir, it is good here, sir. Yours is live. Yeah, great, great. I can see the screen. If you want, you can change the look of the screen as well. Next one, please. Hello. Hello. There you can see. Then, if you want to look into the scores through your mobile, log in again as the admin. Through admin only, you can see the other technicalities that is hidden to the student. So do one thing, log out, log in again as a student.
As a teacher.
Yeah, sorry, as a teacher or admin.
Yes, sir. Then where we have to go for?
The same process.
Okay.
If you are able to reach here, you recollect the step and go there. Yeah. Click on the grade side. You can see the grades, no? Graph. There is a graph. Click onto that and you will be able to see it. Are you able to see it?
But the thing is, I logged into mine, but I cannot go to the grading portion where this is
No,
the
click on.
how
See,
to get the results of the test taken by the student.
there is a 3 bar underneath that.
Yeah.
Click onto that.
Yes.
Click onto that. You can see a graph on top nearby that orange band. It is written there grades.
Grades. Oh, thank you. Thank you. So it's up. So it's up.
Okay, it will come.
Thank you. Oh, grades.
Okay then. See, it will be asking contribution to course total, percentage, range, grade, weight, etc. See, for a short question, you can give the weight this much. Like that, you can give and take the final result. Anyone else, please? So finally, what we have done is we had created the module and incorporated to the popular one, that is the Android one. Here onwards, the student can access the note, your note from the mobile itself. Hope everything is clear to you. So, any questions? Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes. That's it. Great. Okay, then anyone else? No, there is no one. Seems everything is working. Can I go back? Hello. Alvin Roy, you are going out. Preeti ma'am, you are live. Preeti ma'am, from the morning we were having a look at your WhatsApp group and we all saw that you are highly active in the WhatsApp. What about the class? Hello, ma'am, can I go back? Okay, then, friends, I'll be going back to another important component. Okay, then, so we are back to one more format of question. what we'll be doing is yesterday we stopped at match the following, and we matched alphabet, small alphabet with capital alphabet, and we stopped the session there. Now we'll be going to the next component, missing word question, fill in the blanks. So what you need to do is you need to do the process again, create a new tab, add an activity, create a new tab, type your website name, log in as admin, enter your username, turn editing on, go to your course, go to your home page, click on to your course and come to a topic where you are interested in doing this exercise. Then add an activity, click on to add an activity and go to quiz, click on to quiz and give the name as missing word question, fill in the blanks. And give the name as missing word question, fill in the blanks. Then after that, save and go back to course.
Sir, can you just slow down, please?
Oh yeah, okay. Friends, take a new tab, give your site name, log in as admin,
Missing word question.
turn editing on,
Yeah.
then after turning editing on, go to your course, select the topic under which you want to do this exercise, add an activity, go to quiz, type the name as missing word question. If you are familiar with the question as fill in the blanks, put in brackets as fill in the blanks. Filling the blanks.
Then add a new question. So we are creating.
Yeah, add a new question. Please wait, Sibichan sir. Let me wait for others as well.
Thank you.
Friends, have you completed this? What I want is the question will be asked is missing word question. So you incorporate both of it so that you or your student will not be confused about what the intention of the question is. Missing word question, fill in the blanks. This is the American slang. For us, fill in the blanks is the familiar one. So put in bracket if you want, or you can ignore that. And from today onwards, you say that the question is missing word question. Okay, then. Next, we'll be coming. Of course, you need to click on to shuffle, add a question. You go to editing, click on to shuffle, check the box shuffle, then add a question. Then it will be asking a new question.
Select missing.
Yeah, missing
words.
Before that, take a word file. Before that, friends, minimize the screen, take a word file, reduce the screen, cut it into half and keep it on your side. That means after minimizing, drag it to a side whereby you are able to see my screen as well. Then open your Word file, minimize it into the other side. What I want is, I want to see the feature in your screen, picture in picture. I want my screen also there and your Word file on the other side. So what I expect from you is, your screen should be divided into half. Divided means literally, not physically. Don't divide your screen into two parts. One is the image and the screen which the organizers had set up. The other window, what I want is, I want a Word file where you will be typing all these questions. One, the capital of India.
Oh, sorry. So we have to. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, don't worry, I'll wait. Minimize, take Word file, minimize, then click onto some corner or the center portion, you can drag it to the side.
Okay.
When you minimize this our screen as well, it will be asking, it will be reducing to a certain level, and you should not close, not, you got one single bar and there's two box together. Click onto that two box, then you can make adjustment according to my request.
Okay. So whatever you see on the screen, we have to type.
Yeah, take a look at this one, the capital of India. If you can type some other question, it's well and good, but while doing that, please don't ask me the question. If this is it, I'll be able to guide you. So that is why, yeah, the capital of India is New Delhi. Type inside two brackets 1. Type inside two brackets 1. The capital of Kerala is Trivandrum or Thiruvananthapuram. Type inside two brackets. 1 bracket, 2 bracket, then type the number, close the bracket, then close the bracket.
So the space after
No,
New Delhi.
it should be together. It should be together.
Okay.
There should not be any space in the bracket. If you are doing that, then we are getting into trouble. Take a look at this one. There is no space. And if possible, can you highlight this word? Because slowly we will be deleting the word. So I want the words to be highlighted as well. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. That in brackets 3, 1 bracket, 2 bracket, inside that alphabet number 3. The Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. 1 bracket, 2 bracket, inside that number is 4. The captain of Indian cricket team is Virat Kohli. Viratkholi. 1 bracket, 2 bracket, 5. The Iron Man of India is Sardar Patel. 1 bracket, 2 bracket, 6. Now you type bracket 7, close the bracket, sun never rises in the east. Sun never sets in the east, not rises. There is a mistake. Sun never sets in the east. Next one is question number 8. Bracket, number 8, close the bracket, sky is the limit. The last one, 2 are factuals. That the above one are name and the top 3 are places. Sun never sets in the east, not rises. Sorry. So do one thing. Have you completed this process? Can I go back?
No, sir.
Yes. Now what you are doing to do is, you will be going to the next page. You will be copying the first question, pasting it there with the title, fill in the blanks, bracket places. The capital of India is New Delhi. Below that, you need to give the choices: Jaipur, New Delhi, Calcutta, Dispur. Maybe it is Kolkata. Maybe it is Kolkata. So put it as Kolkata and Dispur. The capital of Kerala is Tirunelveli. You can give the same question with the following answer. If you are interested in giving the capital of your place, it is well and good, but follow this instruction. Tirunelveli, Kollam, Ernakulam, Thrissur. When you are using your capital, remember to give the name of district along with that. What we want is, as a student, you want to confuse him. So give them the familiar districts closer to the capital district. Now, under that, the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. In the bracket, 3 examples are Chennai, Salem, Erode, Coimbatore. Hope you got this one. Now I'll be going to the next one. The Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi.
I think you slow a little bit
Okay.
because we have to
Sorry.
type us. Okay, thank you.
Oh, you are typing. Sorry. Okay then. Friends, when you are typing, use all your fingers, not one finger. The capital of India is New Delhi. The capital of Kerala is Tirunelveli. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. 1, 2, 3. Put those things in brackets.
Sir, I want a bit of explanation. Hello, sir.
Yes. Tell me. So I gone for a walk. That's it. Okay then. Yeah, come on. Back.
It is a doubt that fill in the blanks.
Ah.
The first question is the capital of India is New Delhi. Then you write the 4 on Jaipur, New Delhi, Calcutta on the right side. But where it to be right in
You
the?
don't want to see when you make something, you make it into colorful. That is my philosophy. So I made it into colorful. So if you want, you can give us left intent, right intent, or something like that, or you can press the tab and give it to this side. For me, that is not an issue. I need just the answer below that, because
Sir,
you should be in a position to recognize that. So that is why I have kept it in a other side, so that others will able to see it clearly.
My doubt is
So
that
if-
the question text must be the 10 items maybe included in the question text. That I want to know.
Okay, sure. That is what we are going to do.
The all text, all items were included in the same box. That's right.
Yeah, we are going to cut and paste the whole thing on the box.
Okay.
So that is why. So we will be copying each sentence and we will be pasting it on to the question box.
Okay.
So remember, never forget to put the 2 brackets and the number. It is where the answers are going to be, because the program now, the platform will be able to recognize only if you give these numbers. in the text now, what we'll be doing is we'll be deleting all the yellow things. That is why I told you to highlight it in yellow, because it will be easy for me to say to you that, friends, remove those highlighted words. So you will be removing all the highlighted words which we are doing now. So that will quicken the pace of getting things done.
So can we see the next pages?
Yeah. The same thing. You follow the same thing. Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. You can use some other Modi along with Narendra Modi. So because students will be knowing, who is the Prime Minister? That is Modi. So you should put him in a trouble. Narendra Modi, Hitesh Modi, Subhash Modi, Sushil Modi. So you'll be familiar with Modi only. So we'll be putting him into trouble.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, you are excused. Hello.
This the blanks format of question, should we supply all the 4 options?
Yes, we need to supply all the 4 options.
Shall we give only the questions with the pure blank and let the students?
Then you need to type.
Yes.
Then you need to do it in a manual mode. Are you interested in
Okay,
doing
sir.
after setting this type of platform? Why are you interested in this manual mode? Then you should check it by individually. Otherwise, the system will evaluate. Hello, boss.
Okay, sir.
If it is difficult
Yes,
for
sir.
you, you can use that. But the difficulty comes to the latter part. Now you are. That is the problem with this e-learning module. First, you need to take difficulty. After that, you can rest. In the traditional model, you can relax. You give them questions, and you take the risk only at the fag end. Here, if you give all the format, it will be working accordingly.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Is it difficult to type? Hello? Can I ask you one personal question? Is it difficult to type?
No, sir.
then,
No, sir.
then I don't want to explain. Okay then. Next, the captain of
Next
Indian
page,
cricket.
sir.
Yeah, just wait. See, they are telling that I am very fast. You are trying to overtake me? No, that I will not allow.
Sorry.
The captain of Indian cricket team is Virat Kohli. Put the bracket as 5. Usman Kohli, Virat Kohli, Surendra Kohli, Johnson Kohli. Iron Man of India is Sardar Patel. In bracket, question number 6. Saurabh Patel, Manish Patel, even Amisha Patel as well, and Sardar Patel. Friends, I'm going to the next page. Fill in the blanks, factual information. Sun never rises in the west. That is the question. You correct the question, earlier question. Sun never rises in the west. Please correct the earlier question. Sun never rises in the west. While preparing the PPT, I made a mistake. So please excuse me and go and rectify the earlier question. Sun never rises in the west. Sky is the limit. So east, west, north choice should be east, west, north, south.
So for the question, the bracket comes.
Yeah, because I want to tell you a mistake. Dear friend, it will not work. This 7, 8, etc. will not work. Only the last part will work. So I am telling you will be asking questions, sir. If it come in first, what will it be working? So I want to teach you that also. Then you will be asking, sir, it is in front and back. What about the middle? So I put it in middle as well. So you will not trouble me. That's it. See, it is playing safe.
Okay, sir.
That's it. Sky is the limit. Friends, if you are not interested in typing 7, 8, 9, it is up to you because it will not work. Only the first part will work. That means the last one, you can enter the number and this thing. This, it will not work. Time and time waits for no man. Tide, wind, water, storm, etc. Okay, then going back. Now click onto that. Add a question. Question name, fill in the blanks or missing word question. Copy the whole content and paste it here like this. Here you can see we have deleted all the highlighted word. Copy it here and you are expected to delete the highlighted word out. And you will be getting questions like this only. You will be getting questions like this only. The capital of Kerala is 1, 2, number, the number which you had given. The capital of India is 1. The capital of Tamil Nadu is 3, etc. Somebody is knocking at the door. Please wait. I will come back. Thank you. Thank you. Kashyap sir, what happened to you? Yesterday your connection was clear, no? Now you are going out and coming inside. So I am back. Hope all had entered this into your module. I don't think it is fair on my part to lecture the whole thing again. Add a question, incorporate that, click on the missing and copy this one and paste it. Remove the highlighted word. Now I am back to the slide. You will be getting the screen like this. You will be getting the screen like this. And friends, after that, save and return. You can see this thing. The choice will be coming like this and you can share. Hello. There nearby that what you can see is you will be seeing some alphabets or 1, 2, 3. If it is place, specify it is there. I'll be stop sharing. Friends, can you show me the screen? So I can come and take a look at each one of you. Hello? Is there anyone interested in sharing the screen? Down underneath you can see 1, 2, 3 given. You can specify the name there down below. Hello? Underneath that you can give your choices. Have you seen that choices? I think I have not made that slide. On the choices, type the choice name you had given there. Copy it and paste it one by one. After copying it, you can see to the side you will be seeing an alphabet or a number. Specify if it is 1 means you give, if the places are, first question is place, so give 1. Another place you enter, give us 1. So all the places will be shown together. All the names will be shown together. All the factuals will be shown together so that the student will be confused. Friends, one of you come forward and share me the screen so that I can guide others as well.
Hello,
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Sir,
Shruti
I
ma'am, yeah,
have
you are. Yeah, come down the screen. Default mark you change. Here, type the answer. Choice one. Group. You give the group. Click on the group. Click on the A. Okay. Next, type one.
here.
Choice two. You give the choice one.
Okay. Yes.
Type onto that. Give the name. You click on the choices shuffle and show all the questions. Choice two. What is the second question?
So it was capital of Kerala.
Yeah. Give the name. Next, third one. What is the name?
So the third one is capital of Tamil Nadu. So it will be Chennai.
Chennai.
So should you change these groups?
Wait. Don't be in a hurry. Choice 4.
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi. Friends, do you know what we should do? We should change the group as well, because now we are going to start another type of questions. So change it into group B. Go to group A, change it into group B. Names, top also, Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi, you change it into group B. Hello, down below. Shruti ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Type the name. Virat Kohli. So this question should come under B, names. That is why I had given you more than one question, so that you will be able to understand this group as well. So friends, hold on. Shruti ma'am, can you hold on? Come down. Yeah, wait. Don't go away from the screen. Please hold it here so that others can also see. Choice 1, you had given New Delhi. Choice 2, you had given Tirunelveli. Choice 3, you had given Chennai. So what we want is all these places should come together under one group. That is Group A. Now we are going into the name questions. We had given Narendra Modi, Virat Kohli, and the last one is, what is the next question? Sardar Patel. Yeah. So that comes under another group. So do keep in mind Group A and Group B. We will not be going into other questions. I think it will be getting you into trouble. Not C, it is B. Last one, it is B. Friends, take a look at this one. So what we are doing is, we are grouping that into one thing. Can you close? Go down. We'll stop here. You go down. Save changes. Shruti ma'am, take me to the questions.
Sir, I had changes.
Question name. No, what is our issue? Come down. No. See, save changes. Come down.
Please check question box 7. 7 was not found in the choice.
Now give the 7. Question number 7. Click 3 more blanks. If there is an issue, you need to blanks for 3 more. No. Go down. Blanks for 3 more choices. Yeah. Now question number 7. How many questions you had entered? 7 or 8?
Sir, there were 9, I suppose, all the 9.
Okay. You give answers to the 9. Choice number 7. What is the 7th question?
Sir,
I hope you can.
rises in the west.
Sorry?
Sun now rises in the west.
Okay.
Then next was sky is the limit. And the last one was
Time and tide beats for no man.
Right.
So these should be in another group. That is group C. Click on to C. Down below C. Down below also. C. That also C. So friends, take a look at this question. The question pattern changes from name to place to factuals. So what we will be doing is, we will be clubbing all these questions into particular group. Group A for names, Group B for place names, Group C for factuals. Now save. Is it coming?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. But I am not able to see it.
Sir, that's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah. Okay, great. Go back to click onto a missing word question. No, missing word question on the top. Yeah, missing word question. Fill in the blanks. No, that's enough. Yeah, missing word questions. Fill in the blanks. Attempt quiz. Attempt quiz. Attempt quiz.
Okay.
Click on to capital of India is. Click on to that. Hold on. Don't answer. Click on to
Okay.
that. Click on to that. Jyoti ma'am. Click to the arrow. Nearby the box. Nearby that. I want to see the options. Click.
Yes, sir. So it is coming.
No, it is not visible to us. Click again.
Okay.
Click again. Yeah, click.
So it is coming for me. I can see it.
Can you click Kerala? Maybe I am from Kerala. Now Kerala will be visible. You click on to that because I am
Sir,
confident with Kerala.
currently I'm clicking for Kerala only.
Okay. See, we are friends. Hope you are getting these answers. So when you click, go to the last box. The starting one and the middle one. You will not be getting perfectly.
So
If you
this
are
one.
getting it perfectly, is it able? Are you able to see that?
Yes, sir. I can see.
Time and tide also.
Yes, sir.
Then it's working. Okay then. Because early versions it will not work. If it is working, that is you are lucky. You can adopt such a strategy in between as well.
Okay.
This is the issue. They will be updating every now and then, and you will be getting new permutations and combinations. Only thing is, open your eyes and take a look at the website. Even I am also outdated nowadays. That's why. The next one, click. Yeah, click onto that. Yes, it's working. That's great.
Okay. This was supposed to start.
Okay. See, click and show me the choice because others also like to see that. Finish attempt. Give the answers to all friends. Yeah, Sada Patel. See, regarding never rises in the west, sun.
Sir, here I should have given sun. Instead I gave west. So it is my mistake.
Okay. Top. Yeah. Click onto that. Yeah. That is it. Okay then. Finish attempt. Okay, so every link is working. That's great. Okay. Yeah. Tanya ma'am, you are live. Chemistry questions. Yeah, great.
No,
I
not
hope you are
chemistry.
not asking some equations. Noodle key.
No,
Okay
no.
then.
So you can see the screen.
Yeah, it's live.
The answers
I
are
thought yeah. Answers are visible to you. No?
yes.
Okay, great. It is not visible to me. Okay then.
Okay.
Because while preparing the PPT, I forgot to take the screen. I might have pasted in desktop or something, but after that I was not in a position to drag it. Okay then. Sky is the limit. No, you had given the answer in the question as well.
That
Tanya
is
ma'am. Sky is the limit is given here. I told you to highlight the one so that this thing. See, as if you are. It's when I take a look at this one, it resembles our university question paper. Along with that, you will
it's
be getting the answer. Okay, and repetition of questions as well. And finally, they will be giving an issue. All questions full mark. Okay, we are happy, and the student is all happy. Yeah, tell me.
I've already highlighted sky is the limit. Sky.
No, highlighted. You should have deleted it. You have not deleted. I told you to delete. The second question also, time and tide. Waits for none. The answer is there itself.
Okay. Oh, in all the others also it's there. I can see the answers.
You should have deleted it.
Okay. The answers I need to delete, only the numbers I need to retain.
That's it. That is why
Okay.
I told you to highlight it and delete it.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Here I can see all the answers as well.
I know. I
Yeah,
can
yeah.
also
Do
see
one thing. Go back. Go back. Go back. There is a star near your question. Edit it. Go back. Ma'am. Go
Yes.
back. Go back. To finish attempt. Photochemistry. Yeah. Missing words. No. I want you to go to photochemistry. That is why you have uploaded the question. Click onto this one.
Edit settings, right?
Yeah. Let me see whether it. Yeah, come down.
It's not there.
Come down. No. Click on to see. Go back to the questions. This is save and say. Go down. Go down. Click onto that. No. I want to see the first type where the question is hosted. Click onto this one. No, that will be editing the name. Do one thing. Click onto
You have to
this
do
one.
it again.
No, you need to go to the first one. Click.
Here.
No. Go to general. General. Left side. Left side. Click general. Click on to edit question. Go to edit question. Leave. You do the same process. Edit
question. This
See,
one.
add questions. No, we have done a process known as add question. Go back to
Add
that.
an activity.
Yeah.
Add an activity.
No. Do click on to edit. Edit settings. Save and return to course. No. Go back. Save and display. I forgot how to get back. Save and display. Now come back down. Click onto here. Click there. Edit settings.
Sir, 1 second.
Wait.
Sir, attend the
No.
quiz. Sir, attend the quiz. When we go to the attend the quiz, then there is star mark and can edit easily.
Yeah, attempt quiz. Yeah, go to
the attempt quiz and
attempt.
then